Are you afraid of speaking English? Are you afraid of communicating with people? Don't you have any confidence? Don't you have confidence in anything? So, this series is for you. Hi, I am Harshita. I have currently passed class 12th, and from today I am starting a series of speaking English plus improving communication skills, since nowadays we need communication skills in English and Hindi as well with confidence. The motive is to make ourselves confident, make our skills better. So yeah, so from today we are starting this, and the topic of today is, that the today's topic is introduction, how to introduce yourself. So I've written, I will not lie to you, I've written for student, for college student, for freshers, for experienced one, sabke liye, for all the person. So without wasting much time, because we have less time, we have to end our video at least 10 to 15 minutes, in 10 to 15 minutes, because after that no one will watch this video. So watch this video till the very end. And I have researched in this particularly. I was not knowing about that, for student what to say, for freshers what to say, for all students what to say. So I was just knowing jo bhi main janti thi, I will tell you. And I am little nervous today for that, because I've never done this. And yes, previously if I remember, when I was in school, then I introduced myself as well, because it is very important. Teachers say to you to introduce. So how can you be shut up? You don't need to shut up. You don't need to. You have to speak out. Okay. The most important thing in this entire process, the journey you are starting, you have to speak out. You have to speak louder, like me. If you are hesitating, if you are mistaking, it's okay. It is not a crime. In previous video I've said this is not at all a crime. If somebody is learning if somebody is learning something, he has to be, or she has to be, you know in the position where they should not hesitate. Just go with the flow. Okay. So today let's just start it. Bahut we have wasted a lot of time. Sometimes I will speak in Hindi because this is my habit, but I will change it. I'll try my best to change it. So yeah, let's just start. So for me, how I used to introduce myself, listen it very carefully. What I was mistaking. Okay, so let's do it. Hi, my name is Harshita Rani. My name is Harshita Rani. I live in Jharkhand. I am currently in class 12th. I'm a student of class 12th. And recently, I've given my examination, and I am 18 years old. If I'll talk about my hobbies, I love to dance, I love to read books, I love to make videos, I love to communicate with people. I am passionate about content creation. I'm very much fascinating with content creation, because I used to watch and observe people that they are making videos and they are earning. So this is not like that. If you are introducing in a school, then this is different. So let's just do it. ऐसे नहीं खड़ा होना, एकदम with calmness you have to introduce yourself like this. Greeting, ठीक है. Hello, my name is Harshita Rani. I am a student. I live in Jharkhand. I am 18 years old. नहीं, no, I'm not actually. I'll turn into 18 in few months. Okay. I currently passed class 12th. My father is a teacher and my mother is a housemaker. I love to sketch. I love to make videos. I love to dance. This line is not good. कैसे बोलना है? I love writing and sketching and dancing. I am passionate about I am passionate about content creation. Whatever you passionate about, you can say that. So yeah, this is the introduction of a student. ठीक है. Now we'll talk about college student के लिए. तो good morning, ये तो mandatory greeting, name is mandatory, age you can include. अब यहाँ पर होगा I am pursuing BSc from DU. You can say जो भी आप pursue कर रहे हो वो, जैसे I am pursuing BSc from BHU, ऐसा बोल सकते हो. और जो भी you are pursuing, you can tell. My father वाला तो वो भी रहेगा. My father is a teacher and my mother is a housewife. I love writing and dancing. ऐसे भी तुम बोल सकते हो. If I'll talk about my hobbies, I love to write, read and dance. I am passionate about reading books, editing, whatever. और मैंने बोल दिया. अब we will be talking about freshers, how a fresher can introduce. Hi, I am Harshita Rani. I am from Jharkhand. I am graduated from BHU. I have been living in Banaras for the past 4 years. You have to mention your current location because you are a fresher. In the past few months, I have enrolled myself in dash course, editing course or anything. And then you will talk about hobbies that like I love writing, creating content, talking with people. I like to learn new things. उसके बाद my friends call me a quick learner. क्योंकि आप एक जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपके फ्रेंड क्या कहते हैं आपको, एक क्विक लर्नर हुआ. It would be a great opportunity to work with you. It was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you for your time and your valuable advice. Looking forward to talk to you again. That's all. I'm going to give in my profile, in my क्या बोलते हैं about section, I have given an email, so you can go and send me a video. मेरे पास और कोई option नहीं है. I have no option, no Instagram, nothing. So yeah, you can also introduce yourself and send me. And if you will comment on this video, I'll definitely give you this shout out in my next video. Okay. Now we'll talk about experienced one. ठीक है. Hi बोलोगे, ठीक है. नाम बोलोगे. My name is Harshita Rani. I am from Jharkhand and currently living in Banaras. I have been working as manager for 3 years. I have worked as a leader in XYZ company for 3 years. I'm excited for the opportunity to be a part of your sales team. That's all. That's all. अभी जो मुझे जरूरत है वो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट वाले, तो I'll definitely admire this only. And yes, now we have some points to remember वाला thing. अगर आप एक जॉब के लिए जा रहे हो तो you have to dress up like a formal man, obviously. And सबके लिए एक चीज कॉमन है, that is smile. When you are introducing yourself, you have to smile. You have on your face you have a slight smile like this. Hi, I am Harshita Rani. I am actually whatever, ऐसे ही मैं आपको लास्ट में बताऊंगी मैं कैसे करूंगी वैसा. Then eye contact is very important. Eye contact, how you, मतलब आप अगर नीचे करके बात करोगे तो ये नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा. बट when your eye contact is person to person, then definitely it will impact to your teacher or anyone जिनके सामने आप इंट्रोड्यूस करें अपने आपको. Then body language is very important. It should be positive only, not negative. Not negative is allowed. Hi, my name is Harshita. I live in Jharkhand. I am 18 years old. Like this, with a slight smile, not like these, nothing. With a good smile. ठीक है? And while speaking, be logical and be clear. आलतू फालतू बात का जरूरत नहीं है. Not at all. इंट्रोड्यूस करना सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. मुझे भी नहीं आती थी. मैंने आज रिसर्च करा तब आपको मैं बताई हूँ अच्छे से. Note. When someone is speaking to you, is saying to you something, then you have to know your head that you are listening to him or her. You are aware that whatever he or she is saying to you, you are aware. You know. Don't feel them that you are not listening to him or her. Okay. Now, when somebody is speaking to you, if someone is giving you advice or talking to you, do not interrupt. Don't interrupt at all. Do not. It is not allowed. If he or she is saying, please let them complete her or his sentence. Then you will start and be polite with your words. Means be honest with your words. Whatever you are saying, just be honest. What is the need of the lie while introducing yourself? I don't think so. Now, punctual. It is also very important. Going for a job, it should be punctual. If you're going for interview, very punctual person is allowed. I mean, a person should be punctual. That's all I think. Yes, now I'll introduce myself. And as I said to you that I will not, I will not edit this video. I will not edit upcoming videos. And after that, I'll talk about something else as well. It is also very important. I'll give you a task and I'll also follow that task as well. And I'll post shorts in that only. Okay. Okay. So yes, let's just start with my introduction with a slight smile. I'm a college student now. So yeah, let's just start. Okay. Good morning, sir. I am Harshita Rani. I live in Jharkhand. I am I'm from Jharkhand or I live in Jharkhand, whatever it is. Okay. I am 18 years old. I am pursuing BSc from BHU. My father is a teacher and my mother is a housemaker. I love to dance. I love writing and speaking. I mean, speaking English. I am passionate about content creation. I am very much indulged into it. So that's about me. That's pretty much about it, about me. So yeah, this was the introduction. Now, things that I was talking about that I will discuss is very, very important. I'm giving you a task that from tomorrow we will start speaking English only. We will not speak a single word in Hindi because we are in the phase where we need English. भले ही वो टूटा फूटा हो, मतलब it should be broken. It will okay. It will be okay as well. Let's just talk about it. So from tomorrow, I'm giving you task that you will take a thing like this is a goggle and you will think about it. What is the feature? What is how it is made? Everything about it. I mean, you are writing an essay. Why it is not looking good on me. So yeah, this is good. So you will be talking about this and let's see kitne time tak we can talk about this thing only. And you will think only in English. It should be in broken language. It should be in broken words. No need. Actually, there is no need of perfect English. I am not knowing perfect English, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying to speak in English throughout the videos, throughout this. I mean, right now. In between the videos, in between the video, I think I said I spoke in Hindi as well, but very little. I'm trying to reduce speaking in Hindi. Okay. So yes, take an object and talk about it a lot, as much as you can talk. Okay, that's all for this. Now I'll try to change my background and try to change my position and make videos on terrace, on any other place. I think you feel bored when I sit here only. But yeah, in 2 to 3 videos you will see me here only because I love this place. I just love the vibe of this place because it gives me the positive vibes. The every place is positive, but when I since I shoot in night, so I can't do anything. I have rooms, but I don't think so I'm comfortable in that. But I'll try to change my positions, change my place. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. And yes, you have learned something new today. Since I have learned something new very, very much. I mean, I'm very glad to start this series. I mean, starting this series was just a dream, but today I've started it. So yeah, let's just do it. Let's just kill it in 30 days only. I mean, जब तक हो ना जाए. So yes, let's go. I'll also post a video. आप भी जाके मुझे भेज सकते हो. I'll check it. And मैं एक introduction video भी डालूंगी so that it will help you. It will be क्या update for you people that I am also doing that the same thing. But yes, जो भी था मैंने डायरी में लिखा. I was honest with you because honesty is the best policy, I think. Yes, this is the diary which I love. I have 3 diaries in which I make in one diary I make content. I make in one diary I love to write in matlab all 3 diaries are important. I just love diaries. So yes, thank you so much for watching it. Subscribe kar lena, and till 22 August I want 500 subscribers, so you can do and you can subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching. I love to share with you this thing only. So yes, अब कल की क्या लेसन होगी, let's see. I'll talk to my sister and let's see what will be the topic, and suggest me in the comment ki kya topic I should talk about, I should discuss to you, and a lot of things I'll come up from tomorrow. Yes. So bye bye. If my English is wrong, please try to understand. I'm in the learning phase and I'm not perfect in that, right? So I'm learning only. I'm learning. I am just showing to you whatever I am. Okay. So yes, do not feel sad that you don't know. You will know by the time, because I practiced a lot, then I came this place now. And yes, let's do it. Bye. Thank you. Subscribe कर लेना, मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ. Bye bye. From tomorrow we will speak only in English, not in Hindi. A single word I will not speak in Hindi. So yeah, bye bye.